And so now Chief Minister Yogi Adityanath has confirmed that today alone, on the first day of the Mahakumbh, we've seen 1.5 crore devotees visit here in Prayagraj, visit the Kumbh Mela and take a holy dip in the Triveni Sangam, which is of course the meeting point, and that's what makes this place so auspicious, is a meeting point of the Ganga, Yamuna and of course the mythical Saraswati River as well. So it's here that you've got crores of devotees coming together. Today alone, 1.5 crore devotees on day one of Mahakumbh. There are huge barricades put up. You have to walk quite a bit. I had to walk 8 kilometers to make my way right up to this point. So devotees are doing that and more, spending 45 days camping in the cold in tents here, all to ensure that they are part of this historic, auspicious moment in Prayagraj. Today, 1.5 crore devotees. Tomorrow, which is when the grand Shahi Snan or the Amrit Snan is set to take place on the auspicious occasion of Makar Sankranti. We're expecting the crowds to swell up even further. All of us here will be camping the night right here along the ghat to ensure that we get you those first images, because the Shahi Snan is expected to start tomorrow morning at 4 a.m. and it's set to bring in crores of devotees. There is going to be no space anywhere where I'm standing come tomorrow morning, because all of these places will be filled with devotees who are gathered in large numbers to go ahead and take that holy dip or even witness that historic moment of so many sons, saints, sadhus coming together here. Remember, there are 13 akhadas who are participating, the official ones who are participating in the Mahakumbh, which was expected. And they've come with, of course, all of their sadhus together here, camping here for the next 45 days. Then there are those devotees, as you heard from them, who've come from overseas just to be a part of the Mahakumbh, be a part of the Kumbh Mela. So